I tried the Dashmool hair lay by Mother Sparsh this time. Just added 2 spoons of the well grinded powder in a bowl. Squeezed some lemon drops to get rid of any dandruff on my scalp. Top this up with some aloe vera gel, just a spoonful of it. Added some water and made a nice ghole. Now all you need is a tail comb and a brush applicator. So just divide your hair section wise using the tail comb and apply it nicely, especially on the scalp using a brush applicator. Now I'm taking another section and just keep repeating this process. आप section wise divide करते करते पूरे entire scalp में और hair में you'll have to apply this product. Leave this for 15 to 20 minutes and wash your hair with normal water followed by a shampoo and conditioner and you're good to go. Stay tuned for many more makeup, hair and skin related videos. Thank you and have a great day. I love you all.